Hi everyone, I'm Stella. Today I'm going to show you how to create a high-efficiency summary of an English passage in a high school textbook. The goal is to help you better understand the text and express its key ideas and values in English. We'll walk through 5 simple steps together. Just follow along, and by the end you'll have your own clear summary to share. You can find the full article in the video description. Let's get started. Step 1. Understand the title. The title is Ban-Doh, the most authentic Taiwanese eating experience. From this, we can tell the article will describe a traditional and unique Taiwanese way of holding banquets outdoors and how it reflects local culture. Step 2. Learn the key vocabulary. Here are some useful words.
1. Banquet. 2. Pedestrian. 3. Shelter. 4. Authentic. 5. Fierce. 6. Arrange. 7. Originate. 8. Event. 9. Cooperate. 10. Arrange. 11. Stroll. 12. Occupy.
Step 3. Read paragraph by paragraph and identify the main idea. Paragraph 1. The writer joined a student exchange program and was invited to a local wedding banquet in Kaohsiung. Paragraph 2. Unlike formal banquets in the US, the Taiwanese banquet was held outdoors in a street tent, creating a lively and open atmosphere. Paragraph 3. The writer learned that the tradition of Ban-Doh started in rural areas, where neighbors would work together to host celebrations. Paragraph 4. In the past, guests would pack leftovers and leave with torches to light their way home, an image many older people still remember. Paragraph 5. The writer feels lucky to have experienced the Ban-Doh and considers it the most memorable part of their time in Taiwan. Step 4. Combine the main ideas into a clear summary. In the article Ban-Doh, the most authentic Taiwanese eating experience, a student on an exchange program in Taiwan describes a unique cultural experience, a wedding banquet held outdoors in the middle of a street. Unlike banquets in the US, this one took place under a giant tent, with guests sitting at round tables and chefs cooking nearby. The writer learns from their host family that this kind of event, called a Ban-Doh, has its roots in Taiwan's countryside. In the past, people in a village would cooperate to host celebrations like weddings or birthdays. Neighbors helped with cooking, set up tables and chairs, and shared the joyful event as a community. Traditionally, guests would pack leftovers and carry torches to light their way home, creating an unforgettable scene. Although some things have changed, the core spirit of community and celebration remains. Experiencing this joyful and authentic tradition left a strong impression on the writer, and it's the first story they plan to tell friends and family back home. Step 5. Practice and upload your work. Now it's your turn. Read your summary aloud to build fluency and confidence. Make small adjustments if needed. Then, record your version and upload it to Beyond Norm to receive helpful feedback from our team. You're doing great. Every time you practice, you improve. Join our training program and you too can confidently share article summaries in English. Just like the students at Beyond Norm. Ready to level up your English skills? Click the link below and let the transformation begin.